war has destroyed everything that bears testimony to the utopia of the past, scorching the earth for no harvest in the future.
This was a war of genocide and terror that the world ignored, and at the end, when the liberation forces captured their region, I was the only European present. It was January 1991 when we finally entered Hargeisa, the largest city in the north, and the scene was something I will never ever forget. I remember thinking that Hiroshima must have looked like this. The city had been shelled, bombed, and then systematically looted by the government forces. They'd taken everything of value, right down to the wiring, the hinges off the doors, and the window frames. And as they left, they planted mines to stop the inhabitants ever returning. But they did return, and in May 1991, the northwest of Somalia declared itself the independent Republic of Somaliland.
Garad